Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Kia Forte. Stock number is A8534. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, cloth interior. You have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Kia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.